Good evening, everyone. I am Ashutosh Sharma, a pre-final year student of BTech CSE AIML from Meerut. So today the topic of my lecturate is the geopolitical impact of Armenia and Azerbaijan war. So on 19th of September 2023, the Azerbaijan stated that many of their soldiers were killed in a mine, and it was supposed that they were killed by the separatists of the Nagorno-Karabakh region that belongs to the Armenia. So they declared war against them, and the attack was very such brutal, so that the Nagorno-Karabakh separatists had surrendered in 24 hours. So we will discuss the geopolitical impact of this war, as the key player in this war were Russia, India, Israel, Pakistan, Turkey, Iran, etc., and European Union, etc. So the major key player of this war was Russia, as historically the Armenia and Azerbaijan both were the part of USSR, and many of the times these countries also had in war in past. Russia becomes the broker who made the ceasefire agreement, who signs the peace treaty between both the countries as a broker. But nowadays, the president of Russia, Mr. Putin, had not such a good relationship with the current prime minister of Armenia. The stand of USA and European Union is, as they had done kadi ninda of the attack made by Azerbaijan, and the countries like Iran are supporting Armenia. As we can see that Pakistan, Israel, Turkey, these countries are supporting Azerbaijan in this issue, and India is supporting. India is backing for the Armenia. As we can see in the past, there were many times when the Turkey, Pakistan, and Azerbaijan put the issue of Kashmir, and many times they provide weapons to the Kashmiri separatists in India. Azerbaijan, Pakistan, and Turkey, these three countries are making political and military relations with each other, and they all are creating a military and they also provide weapons to the Kashmiri separatists in India to perform the terrorist activities in the Kashmir region. So India also had done many defense deals with Armenia in the past, as in 2020 there was a Swathi weapon launcher deal with Armenia of around 40 million US dollar, and nowadays there was a deal struck in between for 250 million US dollar of anti-tank ammunitions, and many other weapons. As according to me, in this issue, India should stand with Armenia, as many times there were good relationship between India and Armenia, and Pakistan, Turkey, and Azerbaijan always stand against the India in UN and other councils. Thank you.